Have you ever bitten into a funnel cake and wondered exactly what makes it snap so perfectly? It's not just luck, it's a battle between heat and oil that determines whether your treat is crunchy or greasy. Let's uncover the science. Funnel cakes are beloved carnival classics known for their light, airy texture and golden crunch. But achieving that specific consistency relies on precise temperature control rather than just the recipe. The most critical factor is maintaining the oil temperature at exactly 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If the oil isn't hot enough, the batter absorbs too much grease, resulting in a soggy texture instead of a crisp one. When the oil is at the right heat, the batter fries quickly. This rapid cooking creates a crust that seals the inside, allowing you to enjoy soft centers while keeping the edges perfectly crispy without becoming greasy. Professional recipes often use pancake mix as a secret ingredient because it already contains the perfect blend of flour, leavening agents, and salt to ensure the cake rises and crisps evenly in the pan. Once you master the temperature, the possibilities are endless. You can customize your crispy treat with fresh fruit, rich chocolate drizzle, or a classic cinnamon sugar coating for a nostalgic adventure. So, the next time you make this 25-minute classic treat, remember that the golden crunch comes from keeping the oil at 350 degrees to fry quickly and crisp up perfectly. Now you know the secret science behind that perfectly. Now you know the secret science behind that perfect crunch. What is your favorite topping for a crispy funnel cake? Let me know in the comments below so we can celebrate carnival food together.